Hello, Pumas. It's me, Coach B. Today, I'm going to show you how you can make your own beanbag. During these times when we are not at school and we're not able to use the equipment that we have at school, we can make our own. Today, I'll teach you how to make a beanbag. The only thing you need is a sock and something to put inside it and something to tie it up. Now, you can use dog food, dry dog food, so my dog would hate it. You can use dried peanuts. Not going to use those because I'm going to eat those. You can use any kind of beans or you can use rice. I'm going to use rice. You might want to have your parents help you with this. The first thing you do is you take about, I've got about 1.5, almost 2 ounces, depending on the size of the stalk of rice. Spread the stalk out. Slowly dump the rice in. Go. And as you can see, the sock has the rice in it. Now, in order to tighten it up, I'm just going to take a rubber band and I'm going to tighten it up a bunch of times. In and out. You want to make it so it's tight enough that the sock doesn't come apart and that anything inside doesn't come apart. And since I have rice, I want to make sure it's real tight. And when you get it like this,